Hey everyone, thanks for joining us again on our Impact Your Life channel. And we are on episode 13 today for our pregnancy and postpartum series. And today we are going to be talking about massage techniques. My name is Christie Amundson. I am 32 weeks pregnant this week, and I'm very excited this week because I get to have a special guest join me on today's episode. And we have Narate Keys here. She's a massage therapist that works at Impact here and does all of our pre and postnatal massages here at Impact. So she is going to be helping me out with today's episode. We're going to be discussing the benefits of massage for pregnancy and postpartum women, what to look for if you wanted to seek out a professional massage therapist. And then also Narate is going to show you a few techniques that you can try, have a family member or a partner or someone at home that can help you out, and she's going to kind of walk you through some easier techniques that you could try to help with joint, muscle, spine pain, or swelling. So we're very excited. There are tons of benefits to massage therapy during pregnancy as well as the postpartum period. So including, it can decrease your pain in your muscles and your joints and your spine. It can improve your circulation, which helps to improve edema or swelling especially in your extremities, your hands and feet. It can improve your ability to have restorative sleep by some of the relaxation that you get from it, as well as it can decrease stress and anxiety. And there actually have been studies recently that have shown that women who during pregnancy got regular massages actually have shown to have better hormone regulation regarding the stress and depression-linked hormones. And those changes in the hormone levels also led to fewer complications during birth and fewer instances of newborn complications such as low birth weight. So lots of good things there, as well as during the postpartum period, the incidence of obviously regulating those hormones can help with postpartum depression, or if you're feeling like you're kind of heading down that road, can help manage that. Also, the research has also shown that it helps in a postpartum period for improved milk production, breastfeeding, and the increased circulation, and it also helps breast pain. So both for pregnancy and postpartum, there's tons of benefits to massage therapy. If you're looking for to get a massage, you want to make sure that first of all that you're not, if you are any of the following: high risk pregnancy, do you have pregnancy induced hypertension, preeclampsia, or potential signs of preeclampsia, which would be severe swelling, high blood pressure, or sudden severe headaches, or if you have a history of preterm labor. Any of those things, you're going to want to ask your medical provider that's monitoring your pregnancy prior to getting a massage. It's always a good idea to check in with them. However, otherwise, if you want a professional massage, the things that you're mainly going to look for is a therapist that is either certified in prenatal massage. So if you can't find, you can look online for places that have certified prenatal massage therapists. But if there's nobody around you, or if you can't find that, make sure you call ahead and ask. Make sure that the space is set up both from a therapist side, that the therapist is comfortable and experienced doing pre and postnatal massages, as well as they have a space that's set up that they're used to accommodating pregnancy or postpartum clients. So generally, you're going to want to discuss with them any complications for your pregnancy, how far along you are, and any pain that you've been experiencing, as well as you want to make sure that you're the most comfortable that you can be to be the most relaxed and get the most benefit out of the massage. So if you are more than 20 weeks, you're going to want to avoid lying flat on your back. You'll want to be elevated to at least a 30-degree angle as long as it's comfortable. And then also sometimes clinics have a setup where they have either a pillow or a special table that you can actually lie on your stomach, which can be quite desirable for some of us who haven't gotten to lie on our stomach for a very long time. However, just make sure you try it out and make sure it's comfortable. Sometimes gravity can pull a little bit on your ligaments in that position, and it can still be somewhat uncomfortable. And in that case, I would switch positions to a sideline position. Side lying is probably the most desirable, both from a circulation standpoint as well as getting the most relaxed for your body. So most of the stuff that we're going to show today is going to be side lying. And as well as we wanted to make sure that obviously at home you probably don't have all those fancy pillows or tables to be able to set up something that you can lie on your stomach. So if you're going to set this up on your own at home with some help from a spouse or a friend or a family member, that we wanted to have you have kind of the props that you would normally have at home so that you can kind of follow along and hopefully get some benefit out of what we're going to be talking about today. So what we're going to start with is a technique for, you can use it on any of your tissues, but we're going to demonstrate on the back, considering that so many of us have lower back pain. And I'm going to position myself side lying on the table, and Narate will show you what the techniques look like. So.
Hello, my name is Narate Keys, and I am working with Impact Physical Medicine. I'm here with Christie, and I'm going to show you some of the massage technique that we talked about earlier. But first, I'm going to show you how to place the pillows at home. I have one pillow here on her head, and this pillow is going to go over between her knees, like so. The main goal of the pillow is to get the leg comfortable and fully circulated, nice and even. And then I'm going to give her a pillow as well for her arm to rest. The first technique that I'm going to show you is called efforage. Efforage is a gentle, low volume movement. It helps with circulations, and what it is just move slowly circular motions towards the heart, and it's great for relaxations, for mom to bond with the baby. And then the next modality that I'm going to show you is called pet massage. Pet massage is another slow movement, and it's like a Pac-Man eating the corn, and you can go. Your loved one can help you with this, as well as your significant others. Doesn't it feel great, Chrissy?
It does.
And you can also do a combination of that, a little bit of efforage, and then move to pet massage. You can also do kneading as well, just taking your thumbs, move along the spine muscles, like so. A lot of women who are pregnant experience with lymphodemas or swollen. So what I can show you to do is that some lymph technique that you can help with the swelling. So what it is really gentle and really simple to do, and you want to again work towards the heart. It's a simple technique, like so. Grabbing the skin, the muscle, and just moving towards the heart gently. And you can also do this in the legs area as well. So lymph massage is also great for women who have swelling and epidemas during their pregnancy. Another thing that usually happens during the pregnancy is that have leg cramps. So massage is great for that as well. And at home, you can use lotion. You can use oil. Grapeseed oils are great. Olive oils are great. Coconut oil is even better. Bring a little tropical to your Minnesota winter times. So lymph massage is just a technique, slow and gentle, move to the heart. It's similar to pet massage, but a little bit different, a lot lighter. So the lymph system are very light and very gentle. Takes a lot of patience, and that's a great to practice with your partner for the babies to come as well. And for the cramping of the legs, you can do pet massage on the gastrus lemurs. These are a great way to release some of the cramp, tension, and you create a nice blood flow for the baby and you.
All right, so now that I am nice and relaxed, I'm gonna leave you guys, but hopefully you found things in this video helpful and you can try some of these things at home to help with your pregnancy or during your postpartum period. And we will see you next week. Be sure to like the video if you found anything helpful and hit that bell icon with notifications to get notified of our uploads next week. Take care.